Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to mute unmute iPhone without physical button. So if your iPhone mute or unmute button is not working, here's how to easily mute or unmute your iPhone without this button. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on accessibility. Then tap on touch and tap on assistive touch, and all you have to need, enable assistive touch. Now here you will see a little gray circle in your iPhone. Now all you have to need, just tap on this assistive touch on your iPhone, tap on device and here you will find this mute or unmute icon. Now using this icon you will be able to easily mute or unmute your iPhone without this physical button. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.